Thiini wa ihoya riake kuri kamiti ya kuhurana ungumania bururi-ini na iria iheanitwo kuri mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi Keria Kotobiko, mundu mwe kwaritwa Rashid Mohamed oigite ari na uira kuonania registrar Esther Nyaiyaki ni ahitithirie majaji a igoti ikaru matongoretio ni jaji munene David Maraga na fomu iria ciathogetwo kuonania itiari hure muhuri. Kuhitukira wakiri wake Kioko Kilukumi, Mohamed oritie kamiti ya kuhurana ungumania ithuthuria gitumi kia majaji aria aingi moige fomu itiari njikire thairi hindi iria jaji Njoki Ndung'u oigite ni aguuririe fomu ciothe na ciari na thairi. Na riu Mwandiki mukaru wa Kiama kia Jubilee Raphael Tuju ni oigite ni maranyita mbaru uthuthurio uyu.
As a party, we associate ourselves fully with the petition which has been articulated by lawyer Kilokumi, because it now emerges that the so-called unserialized, unsigned, and stamped papers, it now emerges that they were actually in the custody of the court, they were actually stamped, they were actually the right forms. So if somebody changed the forms so that what the court relied on for its ruling are falsified documents, then that is criminal and it should be investigated.
Ihinda-inĩ riu Tuju ni oigite abunge a Jubilee ni magacemania kiumia turorete kurora njira ingi iria cingitumika gutuma maumirira ma kura cia githurano ta uria igoti ikaru riathanire. Tuju oigite mamwe ma maria makariririo giikaro-ini kiu ni gutarwo gwa kura na moko.
Our parliament has got its parliamentary group. I know that they are meeting next week to deliberate on this. I know, and I think you did hear in the judgment, that the judgment alluding to the fact that it may be necessary to address some of the legislations which need to be addressed to get rid of any ambiguity that has been created by the Supreme Court ruling.
Macio magithiaga na mbere, munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto ni oimanage ikaro na atongoria na arumiriri a Jubilee kuma gitaro kia Western gwake mucii mwena wa Eldoret. Hindi ino Jubilee igacirithetie kampeni ciayo ni undu wa githurano gia tariki 26. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.